Hello, my clarinet students. This is our last scale for Region Band, and it is the RE scale, which is a concert D scale. This is our 3-octave scale. This is the scale that separates the boss clarinets from the regular clarinets. If you want to be awesome, you're going to get this 3-octave scale. This is what we've all been leading up to. We have 4 sharps. Okay, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. Now, here's the cool thing. This whole right-left combination that we've been practicing is all been leading up to this one. We start with right E on the low E, left F sharp, G sharp here. So we have right, left, right, bottom, outside, bottom. Okay, this finger combination is going to come into play several times. Oops, let me move my little face here. There we go. And so right, E, left, F sharp, right, G sharp, A5, middle finger B, C sharp banana. Now D sharp is the same thing as E flat. Okay, 2 fingers and a jelly bean. Then we have E, F sharp, first finger, G sharp. So we rock and roll again, all right? A is where we rock. So F sharp, rock, roll. Blue B down here at the bottom. Outside C sharp, D sharp up here. Again, my finger position is all out of whack. Try and hold it up. Right, left, right. Bottom, outside, top. Bottom, outside, bottom. Okay? Now, next is E5, F sharp, G sharp here, A, B1. We practiced that transition from B1 to C sharp in the previous scale, a couple scales ago. So C sharp, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when we go to D, we add the vent key. Hold it over here. So C sharp, no vent, D, with the vent. Now our D sharp, all we have to do is add this little banana key, all this little sliver in. I shouldn't call it banana key, sliver. So C sharp, D, sliver, and then high E. Practice this going down. High E, D sharp with the sliver, C sharp, vent key comes off, B1, A, G sharp, banana, middle finger, E5, D sharp, okay? Outside, C sharp, bottom B, down to the A, and you rock to the G sharp, roll to the F sharp. It's that rock and roll scale again. E, D sharp, again with that jelly bean on the bottom. C sharp, that transition, you're gonna need to practice that. Middle finger B, A, G sharp, again, that same transition here to outside to bottom. Again, if we hear you slipping and sliding, you didn't really play it. 1 pinky, 1 note. Never 1 pinky sliding to 2 notes, okay? So over here, this is our 3. There's no good place to put my picture. Let me make my picture a little bit smaller. There we go. I'm off in the corner. Not only are you going to write your sharps on your paper, write in the sharp on your paper in front of each F, C, G, and D. You must do this. There's no memorizing this. You must write it in. Also include your right and your left here. And then there's only one way to play this one. It's back to your right. So you have right, left, and then your only option is G sharp here. So I don't even write it in because it's messy enough. Notice I've highlighted all of the sharps, and you should too. And then putting in the rights and lefts. Now, when we come back down, it's reversed. Left and then right, and then left and then right. And then over here, oops, dismiss, I know. Over here, we have pretty much the entire fingering chart. I put it up here just so you guys could have it. You could see it readily available. I did not include the final E, but all that is just 2 fingers and the vent key. Have fun practicing this one, guys. This is the scale that separates the good clarinets from the awesome clarinets.